Hello lovelies, I am here to give you guys some fall outfit inspo. We're gonna attempt to make cute outfits that will keep me warm, so I feel like these outfits can go into winter as well. But let's just get on to the first outfit of this week. I am going to an event today, and so we need to not dress up, but we need to find a cute outfit. Just put on this dress from Planet Nusa, and we will be layering with this piece. Underneath the dress, I just put on these jeans. They are very freaking old and from NAKD. They look like this. And then we're gonna put on something fun, because I just made this collaboration with the yarn brand Wool and the Gang, and I made this cute little pattern with them. And I don't know, I think I have to say advertisement because this basically is an advertisement. It has this little button detail, but today I think we're gonna turn it around because we love a little sweater that can be used multiple ways so that we don't get bored of it. But this is basically what it looks like from the back, which can also be used as the front. And then we have this cute button detail in the back. This knit is so flattering. I'm personally very obsessed with it. This is your sign to go to Wool and the Gang's website and knit it yourself. I actually feel like this type of sweater is the reason why I started knitting in the first place, because like I would go to all these events during the winter time and I would be freezing cold because all my like pretty clothes were tops and flowy shirts and stuff, and that's just like, you could put on just like a regular knit, but I feel like this just is a little more interesting, you know? I hope it makes sense. Enough about that, let's get on with this outfit. We will put on some jewelry. I have my, at the moment, favorite earrings from Levis. They are just like these very beautiful hoops. They are pretty heavy though, so if you don't like a bit of weight in your ears, I would not recommend these, but it's not something that bothers me, so it's fine. Also just got an aura ring, which I obviously am wearing all day every day, so this is stuck on my finger from now on until I don't want to wear it anymore. And to make the aura ring a little more presentable, I guess, I am gonna put on another ring to layer. This is Pandora. This is Majuri. And then we have my bracelet from Pandora that we're gonna put on top of the sweater. For shoes, we're gonna go with my Dico Copenhagen boots. I've had these for years and they're still going very strong. Ta-da! Another little accessory is this absolutely amazing little cap hat thingy that I love so much. I've said this 1,000 times. I got it from my mom. She bought it maybe 20 years ago, something like that. So no one knows what the brand is, but I think it's called a newsletter boy hat, something like that. So you can definitely Google it, and I'm sure that a bunch of like brands make them. And because it is gonna be raining later, we're gonna put on a leather jacket because I feel like it's the most water resistant I have. And for bag, we're gonna wear my Stand Oil bag. This is a Korean bag brand. Let me show you the full outfit. Here we have today's outfit. I am making this video on my phone, by the way, because I just feel like it's much easier. But we'll see once I edit it if I will continue doing that. But for now, we're gonna stick to the iPhone. I also got the new one, so the quality should be good. But yeah, I'm ready to go to the event. See you tomorrow for a new outfit. It's a new day and we need to find an outfit. Starting off with this white t-shirt. It's from Free People. I have an outfit in mind and I feel like I'm gonna be freezing cold, but so we're just gonna try and then we're gonna learn from it, I guess. Putting on this green cashmere sweater that I bought recently from Uniqlo. I kind of like this look, like just a little bit messy, and it matches my eyes, which is really nice. Then we're gonna put on my absolute favorite jeans at the moment, and they are from Levis and they're called Low Loose. Let me show you. They look like this. So it's pretty low-waisted and baggy, but not like crazy baggy. I feel like this is such a good stable jean to have. And then also this wash. I'm obsessed with them. Same rings, nothing new. Also same earrings. I have this thrifted blazer leather jacket thing. Isn't this so cute? I feel like it's working out the exact way that I thought in my head, which is so nice. I have my beloved boots, which would maybe be the smart choice because they're probably a little bit warmer. But then I think that these loafers would look really good. We're gonna try and then we're gonna make a decision. We're gonna do the boots. Should we do a scarf? I feel like this is nice. No? Very cute. Do we do this brown suede one? Or my green crossbody Prada bag? I might do the crossbody one. Sunglasses? I think we're gonna do these glasses also because the sun isn't shining today. Let me show you the full outfit. So this is today's outfit. I love how this turned out. And then hopefully I'm not gonna be too cold. But I will see you guys tomorrow for a new day and a new outfit. Don't you guys love this like sound of leather? I will be going to a very exciting meeting today and that's how I feel about it. Let's put some clothes on. I'm already wearing this Heat Tech long sleeve from Uniqlo. And then I'm gonna put on a little self-made sweater. I'm so obsessed with this one and it will be coming out so soon. Maybe it's already out actually when this video is out, but this is what it looks like. For jeans, you have seen these jeans so many times. They're still my faves. I feel like I say that with all my Levi's jeans, but like these ones go way back. And it is the XL straight model style. Let me show you. Very baggy compared to the ones I wore earlier this week. Then I am putting on some Heat Tech socks. These are also Uniqlo. Okay guys, this is what just came. Can we just appreciate this beauty of a bag that can literally hold anything and everything you want? I am obsessed. What the hell? But anyways, what I was talking about is I love Uniqlo's Heat Tech. Moving on to accessories. These ones are from Barbour. They have these in a bunch of different sizes and my ring from Séssun. For shoes, I have been so obsessed with these loafers and they are actually just from H&M. They don't give me any blisters. They are so soft. We need to find a jacket. I think I'm just gonna do my trench coat from Weekday that you have probably seen 1,000 times before. For a bag, I'm gonna do my favorite bag at the moment. I am so obsessed with this brand and this bag. We need a scarf. Shall we do dark or light? I think the dark one because then it kind of goes into the wash of the jeans. And then it also has some red details. And my go-to sunnies at the moment. Let me give you guys a little overview and then we can go to the meeting. Here we have today's outfit. See you guys tomorrow for a new day and new outfit. Hello everyone, it's a new day and we need to find an outfit. I am already wearing this wool and we're gonna put on some jeans. I had a little idea. Layering moment. Do we like this? I can't decide. We're gonna do a belt. I can't decide if I like this or not. I've just seen a bunch of Pinterest girlies do this and I feel like that looked really good. Let's try with shoes and jewelry and then we'll decide. Different earrings today though. I just got these from Barbour. Okay, I feel like that made it a little better. For shoes, we're gonna do brown loafers. Looks like this. I think for today's occasion, we are pulling out my beloved little sex pets baby. Did I say that I'm going to the office? I don't remember, but I'm going to the office, so I will be wearing this bag today. I'm gonna pop on my headphones and then I'm ready to go to the office. Let me do an outfit overview. So this is what today's outfit looks like. I will see you guys tomorrow for a new outfit. We need to find an outfit, so let's just get into it. We're gonna start with this white cashmere. Then for jeans, I think we're gonna go with these Levis. They are also XL straight. This is the same style as the darker wash. These are just one size bigger in the waist. This is a 27. So it kind of depends on what you like. I have these Burgundy kind of loafers, and I actually have a bag that matches. Let's try it on and then we'll see if it looks good. That is so freaking annoying. I don't have time for that. So we're gonna keep going anyways. I just put on some random jewelry. This one's Pandora. This is Pandora. This is Séssun. And these are Hey Love. For jacket, I was thinking my beloved leather jacket. And I don't know if this is gonna clash, but I was kind of thinking of wearing this over the shoulder. Because I've been using my cashmere sweaters as scarves recently. But I feel like this might just look a little bit off. It literally stopped for a second. Why did I just keep going? This is so annoying. I just grabbed my gray cashmere. Yeah, I feel like this looks better. Let me give you guys a little outfit overview. Here we have today's outfit. I love how the bag and the shoes match. That makes me really happy. See you guys tomorrow for a new day and a new outfit. We're gonna start with the jeans. As you can maybe see, they are way too long. And I actually need to get them tailored, I think. Then for sweater, I'll just put on my Arlunda sweater. Cuties. For shoes, we're gonna do black loafers. Ta-da. Jewelry. I am such a popular girl. Anyways, same jewelry as all the other days, I guess. For jacket, we're gonna do my little thrifted fur jacket. There we go, beautiful. A little cashmere scarf. I don't know if it's gonna be too matchy with the jeans. Yep, I don't like that. For back, we're just gonna do this one. Let me give you guys a little overview. This lighting is horrendous. I actually cannot, and it's even sunny out, so like I don't understand how winter is looking so wintry. This is the outfit. See you for a new day tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Sunday and officially the last day of this video. We still need to find an outfit because I actually have a little activity going on today. This is kind of like a little update, I feel like. Zach and I bought a car during the summer and I got my driver's license, so we have kind of like been wanting to go for a little trip, or like there's this really cute park in the northern part of Copenhagen and we've been wanting to go there. I would maybe say it's more of a forest, I think, rather than a park. I don't know the definitions, but whatever. You have to go now-ish because the leaves are still there and it's just sad to go there if it's just naked trees, I guess. And I am driving. Let's find a cozy walking in a park outfit. We're gonna put on just a basic white tee. Then I recently got this jogging set from Planet Nusa, and it's a collab with Emilia Malou, who's like a colleague of mine. So this is what we're gonna wear because it's very appropriate for a Sunday walk. I feel like I've said this before, but Planet Nusa's like sweatpants and hoodies are literally perfect. Like, look at this. They have that like very soft fabric and just like, my favorite sweatpants are from them. Then we have the zipper hoodie. This one is like more fitted, which I also really like. And for reference, this is an extra small and this is a small. I usually wear small in pants and jeans. I'm gonna do Planet Nusa socks. I did not get paid to say this. Jesus, this tripod is so annoying. I bought new sneakers recently because I had no, that's a lie. I have, what do I have? Like 3 pairs of sneakers, but 2 of them are like really flat. So they're not particularly good to walk in, if you know what I mean. Like they are very much close to the ground. You can feel the ground when you walk in them, but they look good and they are sneakers. But I had 1 pair of like this kind of sneaker, but they had like all sorts of different colors. They were like red and yellow and pink and not very me, but they were so good to walk in. So I bought myself some more neutral ones. For a jacket, I have this denim-ish jacket with a little bit of something soft on the inside. I think this is what we're gonna do. Then as a little accessory, we're gonna do this cap. We need to find a bag and some jewelry. I need to find a new tripod, I think. We have the Prada bag. And my Oura-ring is charging, which is why I'm not wearing it right now, but I will put it on before we go because I need to count my steps. Earrings, I've told you where they're from. Yay! No, it's doing it again, I think. I'm so sorry if this video is like sliding. Let me give you guys a little overview of the outfit. Here we have the full Sunday walking outfit. As you know, this was the last outfit for this video, but I will of course be doing more of these because you like them and I like to make them. As always, I will put a little list in the description with where everything is from. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Now I will go down to my own car and drive it myself. I've never been so proud of anything I've ever done. Taking my driver's license was the worst thing I've ever done. Okay, bye!